Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about the lifestyle of big people. She is talented, stunning, and about to make a splash in Hollywood. From starring in entertaining movies to recently tying the knot with Justin Theroux, Nicole Brydon Bloom is a rising star you should know about. In this video, we will discuss her biography, career, lifestyle, net worth, and what headlines may be in store for her in 2025. Nicole Brydon Bloom was born on March 23, 1994, in the United States. She is the daughter of the late journalist David Bloom, a respected NBC News correspondent who tragically passed away in 2003. Growing up in a family with strong roots in storytelling, Nicole initially thought of following in her father's footsteps as a journalist. She attended Elon University with a bachelor's degree in journalism, but later discovered her true passion for acting, and in 2017 she earned a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree in acting. Nicole's acting journey began with theater, but her breakout role in the psychological thriller 1BR in 2019 put her on the Hollywood map. The film was a huge success and showcased her brilliant acting ability. Since then, she has appeared in TV series such as The Gilded Age, Law and Order, SVU, and The Affair. And she hasn't stopped there. Nicole is set to appear in Hulu's upcoming series, We Were the Lucky Ones, which proves that she's here to stay in the entertainment industry. Now, let's talk about one of the most talked about celebrity relationships of the year. Nicole began dating actor and screenwriter Justin Theroux in early 2023. The couple kept everything about it a secret, but they have been spotted together on several occasions. In August 2024, they got engaged during the Venice Film Festival, and in March 2025, they got married on a beautiful private beach in Tulum, Mexico. With an age difference of 23 years, their relationship has sparked curiosity, but love knows no boundaries. So, what is Nicole Brydon Bloom's net worth in 2025? Well, with her growing career in Hollywood, her estimated net worth is between $1 million and $2 million. She has been landing major roles, modeling gigs, and brand partnerships, all of which contribute to her luxurious lifestyle. She loves traveling, fashion, and living a private yet stylish life. Nicole has been in the headlines not only for her marriage, but also for her growing career. She is working on exciting new projects, and fans cannot wait to see what's next for her. Could she become the next big Hollywood A-lister? Only time will tell. What do you think of Nicole Brydon Bloom's journey so far? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more celebrity updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.